Hi everybody, I'm Ashley.
I'm Kara.
And we are here from iBenz Academy to talk about the Emergency Lecture Series
Community Edition. So what is the Emergency Lecture Series? Well, when we first released this back in early 2020, it was an urgent call to action on how to deal with the split. And that hasn't changed, but with the Community Edition, we're releasing brand new information that you've never heard before anywhere else, all about how to deal with the split in high frequency way.
There's been some major changes in the world since we released the Emergency Lecture Series, and so we want to continue to help get this information out there, help prepare you with the tools, resources, what you need to stay in high frequency and connect with your tribe. So in this edition of the Emergency Lecture Series, having this Community Edition, we have a new lecture, so a total of 6 lectures, 30 videos, and Q&A sessions with Inelia.
Now is the time to connect. It's all about connection. And we learn better when we do it together. We're more effective when we're not in isolation, when we're not lone wolves. And it's just been fun that way too.
Definitely. And we found over the last year and a half, 2 years or so with iBenz Academy that we can put up tons of information, great resources, classes for people to do. And it's all fine and dandy that you buy the course, but if we don't do the course and we don't complete it, we're not really making
much progress.
Yeah, so we're all about course completion. We want to help make sure that you're able to do this course and complete it successfully with the resources and tools that you need to do so. So you've got your tribe, you've got us, we'll be there, and you've got Inelia in our Q&A sessions.
It's really urgent that we do this because there's so much happening on the planet, and since it's the end of the year, we're in the middle of the holidays, it's a big time of the human collective to connect, but we need to make sure we do it in a high frequency way because there's a lot of other agendas and structures in place that are going to try really, really hard to lower your frequency and to push fear onto us. And, you know, let's respond in our high frequency way. Let's do it differently.
So let's do this together. It's the holiday season and we want to celebrate with you and enjoy the season with you. So we're inviting you to spend the holidays with us through the Emergency Lecture Series Community Edition, and we hope to see you there.
We'll see you there.
Bye.